We go for this. And this is immediate action. And this is P1, correct?
Yeah.
And achieve.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this is the scenario. And we have seen the barge gauge and set pressure is 16.4, right? MNR?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, with this, we have seen the slack catcher. Guru. Guru is there.
Yes, Chairman, yes.
So Guru, now we can break for the lunch, right?
We can go for the lunch.
I think we missed one alarm. Technically.
We missed one alarm.
Yeah, it is related to the differential pressure alarm. Pips differential pressure.
Specific alarm stuff.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but yeah.
Still there. Yeah, you
Okay,
can
so-
see the correct
Alarm.
chair by Mr. Miller.
Okay, Joe. Can you
Talking
please?
about this DPH alarm.
Yeah. So yes, a discrepancy also we have considered what Guru has mentioned. So we need to have one typical or discrepancy
Chairman,
alarm.
this is
No, no.
DB high alarm.
This is not typical. This is not typical. This is
DB high.
DPA.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is a
Okay, so-
permissive. This is a
So
permissive to open
what is tag number? What is tag number?
the
DPA
02.
020901 left side. Oh, sharing?
Okay.
Can you?
Yes,
this
yes,
one.
yeah.
Left side.
Yeah.
Left side.
Yeah, which one?
Left side. Yes, this one. DPAH. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
This one, DPH 021901. Is it in the list?
No,
Don't.
why it is considered high? What is there tripping or it is only high alarm?
I think it's only
No,
high
should
alarm.
be
It's
high.
already.
Should be only
It's
high.
already.
Then
Should be
Yes,
only
it's
high.
already
Because
included
this
in
should
alarm
not
information.
allow my
Yeah.
SDPs to be open. Yeah.
No, I agree, but it should not be HH. It should be only H.
Yeah, it should be only H. Yes. Only H.
Mm.
Only H, no?
Okay, 02901. Okay, let me share my screen.
Only H.
Yeah. So guys, I just want to understand in the alarm list. If I want to search, I will remove this filter now. I want to see DPAH. Search DPAH.